What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and we're back with another video for you guys. I just want to start the video off by thanking you guys for tuning in. You guys clicked this video. You guys are supporting me, and I really appreciate that so much. That being said, I also want your guys' feedback as much as possible. So let me know in the comment section below any video ideas you guys have, anything you guys want to see. Let me know. I got a nice video for you guys. Y'all read the title, you know exactly why you're here. The top 5 things that I absolutely hate about this Jeep. This was hard to come up with, but I've narrowed it down. I'm ready to get into this video, but before I do, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. Also hit that like and hit that subscribe and post notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, since I'm already sitting in the car, I'm gonna start the list off at number 1 with the gas mileage being the worst thing about this Jeep. So you guys see that I get 9.9. Look, you just seen it go from 80 to 79 literally just now. But I average 9.9 miles per gallon right now. My range is at 79 miles and I'm a little under half a tank. Absolutely terrible. We don't buy these cars for the gas mileage. And driving around in sport and in track mode, majority of the time, it's gonna burn the gas like this. So before you know it, you'll be back at the pump. But look, now it's at 78. The range already dropped down 2 miles. And I've been sitting here less than 1 minute. Let me get outside for the number 2 thing that I hate about this Jeep. Number 2 on this list, I absolutely hate the sensors that the Jeep has all along vehicle. So like whenever I back up into a parking spot that has like those cinder blocks, or if there's a pole or something behind me, anytime I'm trying to park, the car will like come to a complete stop by itself, and I absolutely hate that, y'all. It's annoying because it feels like you doing something wrong. The car makes a bunch of noise. This sensor in the front, whenever you're on the highway and you're like switching lanes and there's a car that's in front of you or whatever, say they got their brake lights on, or not even, they don't even gotta have their brake lights on, but if you're switching lanes, the car will like brake for you real quick or slow you down while you're trying to go. And I feel like that's more dangerous than actually letting you just go. So, and the only way that you could turn the sensors off is if you're in track mode. So you're burning more gas to turn the sensors off, and that is another thing that I don't like. So now for number 3 on the list of the things that I hate about the Jeep is the automatic open on the door handles. Okay, my door is locked, right? When I go to the back door, I can't open it with the key in my pocket, but the front door, it has the sensor to where it opens and I could open the door. I don't like that it doesn't work for the back doors. If I got it locked, I got the key in my pocket. If I try to go in the back door real quick, it don't open, and then I gotta go here first and then here. But it's just a little extra step. But that's not the worst thing on this list. It's probably the most annoying though. Okay, so the number 4 thing on this list has got to be the price for parts. It's short and simple. If you want a splitter, diffuser, hood, a spoiler in the back, anything you want for the car is probably gonna cost you over $300. Any upgrades you want for the inside, if you want carbon fiber on in here, anything is gonna cost you $500, $700. Parts for these things is something that I knew before even getting involved with SRT or getting this type of vehicle. Gas in this thing and price for parts is so high and in demand right now, and it's just expensive, but it is what it is. We love these cars. We love to make them look good, so you gotta pay, you know. But yeah, that's number 4 on the list of the top 5 things I hate about this Jeep. This one is gonna hurt me to say, but the number 5 thing on this list, y'all, is the fact that this SRT Jeep is just not a track hawk. I wanted a track hawk before my charge, before I even had the scat pack. The track hawk was literally $85,000, and I did not have that type of money. When I was looking for track hawks in the price range, I came across an SRT Jeep, and I didn't even know that these were a thing. Then when I found out that it had the same engine that it had in my scat pack, I told myself that I needed to get this. If you know, like I said, I was blessed. Gave me a lot of extra money for my scat pack, which put me in this vehicle. This vehicle right here is like perfect. It's not too fast. It's definitely not too slow. While I have this, I will honor and cherish this beast. Definitely got some big things coming. Alright, so that about does that for this video. I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. I really do appreciate every single last one of y'all. Do me a favor, follow me on my Instagram at SRTBUBZ. Also, do me a favor, get this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. You don't want to miss the heat that I got coming for you guys. And I'm going to see you guys real soon. Peace.